Welcome again to my channel where we discuss the science behind this world of medicine. So today we are going to discuss about your taste sensation and why spicy food is not a part of your taste sensation. So taste is nothing but when you eat something and it touches your tongue, a signal goes to the brain which is recognized as taste. So what exactly happens is the food you eat releases some chemicals which are recognized by taste buds that are present on your tongue. All around your tongue there are taste buds which sense the chemical within the food, and then these taste buds give a signal to your brain through neurons and neurotransmitters, through internal body chemicals and contacts. The signal from the tongue is relayed up onto the brain in terms of a taste sensation. So you can essentially recognize no tongue, no taste. So taste is basically a part of sensation of your tongue. Obviously, olfaction, which is the nasal smell, is also a part of it, but we are particularly interested in the taste sensation, which is a direct relationship of chemicals touching the tongue or food touching your tongue. Now we need to essentially realize that there are 5 basic taste sensations. These are sweet, salty, bitter, sour, and the other one is umami. Umami is savory, meaty, fleshy, and good flavor, something you relish. So there are 5 basic taste sensations. Your tongue has different intensities of these taste sensations. So there are 5 taste sensations. There are 100 levels of intensity in each taste sensation, which leads to around 100,000 or 1 lakh flavors being recognized by your brain or by your tongue. Isn't it amazing? Now, coming on to what exactly is the flavor or taste that you describe as hot and spicy. Hot and spicy, please note, is not a taste sensation. It is a burning pain sensation which is recognized by your tongue. So what essentially happens is when you eat spicy food has a particular chemical called as capsaicin. This capsaicin is recognized by the tongue, by the taste buds itself, but it is a pain sensation for the tongue which is relayed onto the brain by the tongue in form of a pain, and this is what you describe as hot. When you feel pain, when you feel the burn because of this capsaicin on the tongue, to describe this as a hot or spicy flavor, but essentially it is not a taste sensation. Hot and spicy is not a taste sensation. It is a burning and a pain sensation on your tongue. So what happens is when you do this for a longer period of time on your tongue, when you put spicy food for a longer period of time at different intervals, the sensation of the tongue reduces to that pain sensation and you start becoming okay with that burning or pain sensation, and the effectiveness of that capsaicin or spicy food reduces and you start to relish and you start to take spicy food also. But next time you need to remember, when you eat a spicy food, it's not a taste you are relinquishing. You are experiencing pain and you are experiencing a burn sensation on your tongue. Now, essentially, when people feel that taste or feel that spicy or burning sensation on their tongue, they essentially do some things which can relieve that. So what essentially you should do is you should take milk, because milk has a protein called as casein which can replace that capsaicin from tongue. It removes capsaicin from that tongue. So milk is good. Then acidic substances like lemon water, lemon juice is good, which again displaces capsaicin or the chemicals from the spicy food which are causing the burn sensation or the pain sensation. You can also have high starch food, carbohydrate food, which is basically potato, raw boiled potatoes, or bread. These 3-4 things can actually remove capsaicin. But we don't do this. We drink lots of water. but you need to realize, or you may have even experienced, when you have a burning or pain sensation on one part of your tongue due to spicy food, if you drink water, that sensation gets spread across your tongue, because what water does is it cannot replace capsaicin or the chemical from the spicy food, but it spreads that capsaicin completely on the tongue, and hence you start feeling that sensation of pain and burn on all of your tongue if you drink water. So friends, this topic was not 100% related to your diseases, but it was important to understand how we have a misconception about the taste sensations and what our ancestors believed to be actually taste, and what medical science calls as taste, and what medical science calls as pain or a burn sensation. I hope the video was interesting, and for the next time when you feel spicy food, you will recall this video. Yes, it's a pain and a burn that I'm experiencing on my tongue. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to watch my next video. Thank you.